This is how it looks like before. This plant looks like I'm having a weird hairstyle. Focus! Hello everyone, I'm appletapple. Welcome to my very first transformation video. So in this video I want to transform a band shirt that I own. I've been cutting up a lot of my band shirts recently just because I don't like the fitting of them anymore, but I do like the looks, so I changed it mostly to crop tops, and this is the shirt that we're going to transform in this video. So I'll try to make a tank top out of it. It's the first time that I ever do that, so join my journey. First, let's try it on. This is the shirt how it looks like at the moment. Okay, this is my first time using two cameras. I want to cut along this side. I just want the front to be curved and the back straight, so kind of a 90s vibe to it. Or was it early 2000? Anyways. Now, get rid of the curve in the back. Okay, so I'm not sure if I like it 100%. I should have worn different colored pants, but here we go. This is how it looks now.
Here's future me, because I recorded this a while back, and this is my old setup, and I did not even change my camera settings, so this is the same webcam. Yeah, I'm using my webcam, and I'm using Streamers OBS or OBS Studio for my videos. Who does that? But anyways, I am going to voice over because I had a microphone stand and it would be so loud because I'm currently just, see what I did? Tapping on the desk, which makes it very loud. What I'm doing is placing the top on front of the shirt and not inside out, because then you can see if you place the top on the right spot, because you want to have the print, right? Now I place it above the print. I'm using a pencil. And here I'm tracing the inside of the shirt with the top that I'm using as a pattern.
To sew along the lines that we drew. This is what we did. Well, it's black on black, you can't see, but hey. So this is how it looks at the moment. Don't be fooled by the straps, those are mine, not the tops. Take it. Okay, this fits, so I took in 1 centimeter on each side, and it felt like I still could take in a little bit more, but I'm just leaving it as it is now. Maybe I shouldn't. Now I'm cutting up the color. I'm going to use it for the front and the back of the shirt. Top of the top. I'm using this as a reference. The one at the front and the back are 1 strap each, and then a loop for the armhole. This loop is 1 piece. I cut up a bunch of shirts already. I just collect them in this bag, and let's see if I can find another color. That would be awesome. Did I throw it away? Oh, how can I? Okay, never mind. For that, you need to get rid of the seams so you can sew it onto the top. We used all of our color from the shirt itself for the front and the back. For the straps, I'm going to cut the bottom part of the shirt, fold the hem down, and then cut along this side.
Here I'm attaching the sleeve loop to the shirt, and it was kind of tricky, so the process is not on camera because I was trying to figure it out myself. As you can see, I'm struggling. I kept sewing so the straps are closed as well. I hope you can see it on screen. The quality is not as good. I swear my next videos will be better because I filmed this a long time ago. So yeah, since then a lot has changed, but I thought, okay, it's my first DIY video and I want to show you how I turned my t-shirt into a top, because I do like how it turned out in the end. And here you can see I'm using a zigzag stitch, but I think a straight stitch will do the same. Let's try it on and see if we can take in a little bit. Yeah. And then we're going to hem the bottom. This is the top. It's really tight already. It's still stretchy, but there's still a little bit of space. So we're just going to take it in. Here at the sides as well. That's a lot. Okay, it's not a little, it's a lot. So far, I really like it, even though the seams are not as pretty when you look closely at them, but hey, it's my first top that I ever made. Now I'm wearing it inside out. As you can see, it's a little bit weird here because I had to make this one tighter because of the straps that were not long enough to cover sleeve loops. I'm going to use my clips, clip everything in place how I want it to be. As long as I'm able to take it off, it's going to be okay. Mark on my shirt. Okay, my second camera is missing. I'll just make it a little bit tighter and then show you the finished result. Okay, please keep in mind, I filmed this ages ago, but I'm currently editing the video and publish it today. So as you see this, the footage you saw before was recorded more than 6 months ago. I mean, I said already that the video quality will be better, but I just want to address it in this outro. I didn't even film an outro. I thought it would be enough for me to wave while showing off the top that I made. If you want to try this project, keep in mind that if you use a pattern, make sure that it's the same fabric, because yeah. If you want to share it with me, I'm thinking about a hashtag that everyone can use to share it though. Share it there. Join my stream on Twitch if you like gaming, or follow me on Instagram or Twitter. I'm going to publish I tried ASMR for the first time when hitting 100 subscribers. So stay tuned. Hit the notification bell. Please subscribe if you enjoy my YouTube videos. I have a lot more that I just need to edit and publish. I have a goal to publish a video every week. Hopefully I will do that. So thank you all for watching this video. I hope you can take it as an inspiration and not do the same mistakes that I did. I would like to know, what do you listen to? Let me know down in the comments below. See y'all in the next one. Bye everyone.